Welcome to our channel. In this video, we will provide you with instant solutions to fix the problem of Facebook not loading. If you've been experiencing issues with the site or app, don't worry. We have a step-by-step guide to help you get back on track quickly. Let's get started. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Before diving into other solutions, ensure your internet connection is stable. You can do this by opening another website or app. If they load successfully, your connection is likely fine. Step 2. Clear browser cache. If you're using Facebook on a web browser, clearing the cache can resolve loading issues. 1. Open your browser settings. 2. Navigate to privacy and security. 3. Locate the option for clear browsing data. 4. Select cached images and files and click Clear Data. Step 3. Update the app. If you're using the Facebook app, make sure it's up to date. 1. Go to your device's App Store, Google Play Store, or Apple App Store. 2. Search for Facebook. 3. If there's an update available, download and install it. Step 4. Restart your device. Sometimes, a simple restart can work wonders. 1. Turn off your device. 2. Wait for about 10 seconds. 3. Turn it back on and try loading Facebook again. Step 5. Disable browser extensions. Browser extensions can sometimes interfere with how websites load. 1. Go to your browser's extensions or add-on settings. 2. Disable any extensions you think might be affecting Facebook. 3. Refresh the page or restart the browser afterward. Step 6. Check Facebook server status. Sometimes the issue may not be on your end. You can check if Facebook is down for everyone or just you. 1. Visit a site like Down Detector or Ice It Down Right Now. 2. Search for Facebook in their search bar to see if other users are experiencing similar issues. Step 7. Reinstall the app. If the app continues to misbehave, uninstalling and reinstalling can help. 1. Find the Facebook app on your device. 2. Long press the icon and select uninstall. 3. Go to the App Store, download and install Facebook again. Step 8. Change DNS settings. If all else fails, try changing your DNS settings. 1. Go to your network settings. 2. Find your internet connection and open the properties. 3. Change the DNS server to Google's DNS 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Step 9. Disable VPN or proxy. If you're using a VPN or proxy, it might be the cause of your issues. 1. Disconnect from the VPN or proxy. 2. Try loading Facebook again without the extra service. Conclusion. Hopefully, these steps have resolved your Facebook loading issue. If you still encounter problems, consider contacting Facebook support for further assistance. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like this video for more helpful content.